Hello, everybody on YouTube. How's it going today? Well, as some of you have heard, Pennsylvania struck down the Trump administration's lawyers' lawsuit. Uh, the main reason was you filed too late. So, wasn't over the law that they were quoting being broken, and it is a solid case. Let me explain to you the case that they have that is unconstitutional and against the law. Act 77 was voted in, and it goes against Pennsylvania's Constitution. Pennsylvania Constitution says that all mail-in ballots have to be certified, meaning that an ID or a driver's license has to be signed, yada, yada, yada. Act 77 took all of that away without doing provisions to the state constitution. In other words, they passed a law that went against their own constitution, which is essentially against the law. With that being said, all mail-in votes that does not pass the criteria of the Pennsylvania Constitution, which is roughly 150,000, is illegal. Period. The State Supreme Court did not do a ruling on that because they want to toss it out so they don't have to deal with it in their own backyard. You have to understand that. Now, this goes to federal court. It goes to district court. I believe it's District 9. I'm not sure, so don't quote me on the exact number of the district. I do believe it's 9, but I'm not sure. With that being said, now federal court has to hear this. And federal court, being federal court, will go strictly on the Pennsylvania Constitution and what the law is on the Pennsylvania Constitution. Not what legislatures and this, that, and the other want it to be. Period. So, hopefully, the district court will rule in favor of the Trump administration. If not, then it will go all the way up to the Supreme Court. Now, as y'all well know, on the Supreme Court, there are several conservative judges. I think it's 5-4 right now. So it could very well, even if it has to go to the Supreme Court, the Supreme Court of the land to be ruled on, chances are high that the Trump administration will win. That's why Amy Coney Barrett got put in before the election. Just for this very reason. I'm going to tell you that right now. Now, on the other side of things, if everything gets passed and all that, there is one other option. And the one other option happens at the House. See, each representative has the choice of either accepting or denying a state electoral college vote. Has to be backed up by a senator. Then they vote on whether or not to let that electoral college be counted. If it's not counted and there's enough discrepancy in the House between House representatives, that the House will then scrap the electoral vote process in the college and vote the next president in themselves. Now, y'all are going, oh, it's Democratic ran, oh. No, that's not the case. And I'll tell you why. Each state gets one vote, doesn't matter how many representatives they have, period. So it levels the playing field. You have 50 states represented in the House. 50, that's it. 27 of those states are strongly Republican ran. Now, if you go party lines, Trump is a shoo-in, period. But as we all well know, Republicans do not vote along party lines. They vote for what the people want in their district, which is kind of a good thing if you stop and think about it, because your voice is being heard. With that being said, if this comes to pass, you need to tell your representative how to vote. It's that simple. Hopefully it doesn't get this far, but it has happened twice in our history. It happened in 1800, and it happened in 1824. So, who's not to say that it won't happen in 2020? With that being said, I hope this eases your guys' minds, and you have a great day, and God bless. We'll talk at you later. Bye.